about the Potter trades. I just recorded that video about Potter trades, his strategy, and I forgot to mention the thing about options too, like that you can't do with futures and forex is you can buy. I had 3 something in this account, and I just put 200 in my bank account. So I'm gonna grow a small account. I don't know if I'm gonna do it. I have $87 in my Thinkorswim account, but every time I try to make an order, it does not let me for some reason, even if it's a $20 order. So I don't know if I'm gonna take that and put it in here or Thinkorswim, because with Thinkorswim, I can set a stop loss, a hard stop, and a take profit. You can in Robinhood, but it's not as easy. Okay, it's not as easy. So I would like to trade probably on Thinkorswim, and then I can do a business account eventually. However, Robinhood is just so easy to trade on. It's so easy to invest in things after I get the wins. I can like just put money directly. I can't do a business account any of these until I know a Schwab or a Thinkorswim. I have to have 250K in assets, which I don't have anymore. Versus like InterTrader, that was a business account. But either way, if you're trading as a business, since I'm a single member business, they're gonna tax me the same anyway. So I can just add my business account here and then just make sure all the winning is going to there. Anyway, so I think the strategy, what I'm gonna do, like I said, I might not be able to do it this week because I definitely want to make some money on Amazon this week. Just work every day and then I can trade next week or something. But with that, I can buy a put and a call. So I can buy a $20 put and a $20 call. And usually the one that's cheaper is the kind of the direction it's going. Like if it's already moved so much that a $20 call is like a gajillion billion ways out of the money, you probably should be getting puts. Like the $20 put would be like 5 to 10 out the money versus 20, 30 on the calls because we already ran up all day. You see what I'm saying? However, you can buy both because the most you're going to lose is that $20, which is the best part. And then when one goes 1,000%, you made 180. You know, I tried that on another one, and it was really eating my profits because I was only getting like a 1-to-1, but I was still gaining money. So I could try that first with this. I would like to just know the direction though. I really would. I would like to just know the direction we're going. 4 hour for value gap. That's why, again, the person in the Discord, they did take profits. They had a nice 1-to-1, a nice 100 flip. So they bought 330 SPY contracts and they closed it for like 330. So they made $300, risking $300. I don't want to do that. That's why trading in the daytime is just not it for me. Now you can get big options moves. Like if you got in, you can't. Well, this is 2 a.m. So it doesn't matter. Options is 9:30. So I don't think this short is going to play out because we're in this 4 hour value gap. But we just want to catch this gap, okay? So if we can risk $200, $20 on one, or $40, lose 40, but then make 400 on the next one, that is ideal. So I think I'm gonna try that, which is, I forgot the options terms for that, like a spread or a iron quarter or butterfly or whatever it is, but buying a call opposite direction, a put opposite direction, and let them both ride overnight. So I'm gonna try that. I know on Thinkorswim, but with Thinkorswim, I can paper trade. You can't paper trade on Robinhood. You gotta come on here when you're ready. So for some reason, SPX is not letting me. Not letting me do it on the computer, but it's showing up on my. It's showing up on my phone, SPX. Or do I type in SPXW? Yeah, on my phone it shows, but on the computer it does not for some reason. And it lets me trade on my phone. So I will be trading on my phone in general, even if I was to do Thinkorswim. I'm about to re-download Thinkorswim on my computer as well, just to see. And maybe I'll have the chart how I want it. I think I can get the futures chart for free. And then I can get rid of paying for TradingView. But I do like my fair value gaps, but it really doesn't matter at this point if I'm trading overnight. Like the gap doesn't do nothing for me, I guess. But our liquidity was here. And Potter Trade specifically said the 24-hour chart is better than the daily chart. Not the daily chart, a 24-hour chart. That would have been our TP. And hopefully we could afford a contract at, 5.8. If not, just get whatever $20 contract is running up here. It'd still be way more profitable than it was before. So let's see if this works. I want high Low risk, high reward. And I'm excited. I'm really excited about this, actually. Like I said, I would trade it better when I traded options in the first place. I held my trades better. I just did all the things better. I deleted that short, but we'll see. And now I'm going to go to the gym and just record a bunch of TikToks. And trying to scale TikTok shop up to $300 a day. And I can really relax in life. For real, for real. News this week. And yeah, so if y'all want to join that, wave, I don't know why I closed Robinhood again. You'll just look at the options chain and whatever is $20 for the following day at the end of the day. So not now. I would show you an options chain. If you want more options chain or basic options videos, please comment that below. And yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow.